Welcome back to the Heart Program. In this session, we'll be teaching you about strategies to support healthy brain chemistry. So let's get started. Earlier, we discussed how our neural circuits for our thoughts and feelings interact with each other and can throw our wellness off balance, contributing to depressive symptoms. We also introduced 4 important neurotransmitters: serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins, and their primary effects on different aspects of well-being. Fortunately, our brains are malleable, they're neuroplastic, and can change through activities and positive habits that support healthy brain chemistry. Now we're going to introduce several wellness strategies that we can use to improve our brain chemistry and rewire our circuitry in big and small ways. We'll divide them into 2 groups. First, physical activity, sleep, sunlight, and social interaction. Then, biofeedback, gratitude, and decision-making. As we discuss each of these, think about how they relate to the skills we've learned in earlier modules. Physical activity. We are told all the time that we need to exercise for better health, but why is physical activity important for mental wellness? Remember, it's part of the please skill from Module 5, Managing Emotions. What physical activity does. First off, it releases hormones that support neuron growth. Remember from Module 2, Taking Advantage of Stress, the DHEA that is released during stress is like a steroid for your brain. Physical activity is a kind of stress. In specific parts of the brain, this has an antidepressant effect. Physical activity also supports neuroplasticity by stimulating growth of connections between important areas of the brain for things like decision-making, learning, and developing habits. It also increases the release of mood-supporting serotonin, which is exactly what many antidepressants do. Physical activity stimulates dopamine that reduces cravings and increases willpower. Just 10 minutes on a stationary bike has been shown to significantly decrease cigarette cravings. It releases endorphins to reduce pain, relieve anxiety, and improve mood. And it improves sleep quality and energy. And finally, physical activity increases blood flow and oxygen to the prefrontal cortex to help us think more clearly. What you can do. Exercise is a physical activity, but physical activity doesn't have to be exercise. Start small. Any movement is better than no movement at all. Increase frequency. By building habits into your daily routine, stand at your desk and take movement breaks. Talk and walk. Bike for transportation, and include stuff you have to do anyway. Think about what's good enough. A runner's high definitely has more impact, and a walker's buzz is good enough for improving brain chemistry. Focus on fun. If exercise feels like too much work, choose fun activities, or make it fun with a favorite playlist or a favorite podcast. Make it social. Do it with someone else for companionship and accountability. Reward yourself with a treat you were going to have anyway, and check the box each time you do it. This is why to-do lists and sticker charts are so powerful. Don't get caught up on the ones you haven't done, just focus on the boxes checked.